Is your Apple TV acting up? Or are you looking to give it a fresh start without dragging out a computer? Let's dive into how to restore your Apple TV to factory settings, all wirelessly. First things first, grab your Apple TV remote and navigate to the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon once you're in Settings. Use your remote to scroll down and select System. Inside the System menu, you'll see several options. Your goal is to find and select Reset. Now, you'll be presented with a couple of choices for a full restoration. We want to choose Reset. This will erase all your data and settings, returning your Apple TV to its original state, just like when you first unboxed it. After selecting Reset, your Apple TV will ask for confirmation. It will warn you that this action cannot be undone. Confirm your choice, and your Apple TV will begin the restoration process. The Apple TV will now restart and begin erasing all its data. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient. You'll see a progress indicator on your TV screen. Once the reset is complete, your Apple TV will restart again. You'll be greeted with the initial setup screen. Just like when you set up your Apple TV for the very first time. From here, you can go through the setup process again, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in to your Apple ID. And there you have it. A factory reset of your Apple TV. No computer required. This is perfect for troubleshooting stubborn software glitches or preparing your device for a new owner. Happy streaming.